Hi foodies, welcome back. There are a few ways I like to cook sweet corn, and in this video I'll be sharing two recipes with you. The first one is corn in coconut milk. So we're starting off with coconut milk, of course. If you don't have enough and you don't want to run out to the supermarket, just use like 80% coconut milk and 20% water. Alright, but it's always best to use only coconut milk, or like 90% coconut milk and then like 10% water. So what I'm going to be doing is just adding plenty seasoning to this. You don't want it to be too overpowering because you like the natural taste of sweet corn, right? But these ingredients are just gonna enhance that flavor and make it really delicious. So we're just seasoning the liquid and then we're gonna boil the corn in the liquid. So you want to make sure you taste this liquid before you add the corn. Bring it to a boil, then add the corn. The corn can be whole or in halves or in thirds. Cut it as small as you want, and then just add it to this, and then we're going to boil it so that it can soak up all of that flavor. So guys, sweet corn does not take a long time to cook. However, I do cook this just a little extra because I want the corn to soak up even more flavor. You can even sit the corn in the pot for a while before serving, and then when you're serving, pour some broth over it, and I even add some more butter to the corn. You can add little pieces of butter. Alright guys, moving on to the next one. So this time I'm just gonna boil the corn in just salted water, and then I'm gonna move on to the other steps. So if you live the condo or apartment life like I do, you don't have a outdoor barbecue grill that you're using. So this is a way to get that nice grill flavor. So we're gonna boil the corn first, and then here I am making a seasoned butter, a nice flavored butter just to brush on the corn while it's being grilled. Alright, so I'm using my grill pan, guys. The corn has been cooked. Now we're just trying to get some, grill flavor and grill marks or some little char on the corn. So we're going to be grilling the corn, and while we're doing this, brushing it with that butter that we made. So just keep turning it and keep basting it until you get the amount of grill marks that you want. Remember that you're not cooking it on the grill because it's already cooked. You just want that flavor and that color. So once you've gotten all the grill marks you want, guys, just brush on some more of that butter and you're good to go. I had this with some chicken wings the other day, so delicious. So try the recipes and let me know which one you prefer. All right, till next time, take care, guys.